Hello guys, you're welcome back once again to LearnCity. So I'm going to talk about differences between branch accounts and departmental accounts. You can remember I talked about branch accounts in our previous lecture. So I'm going to talk about the differences between branch accounts and departmental accounts. So let's go without wasting much of your time. First off, departmental accounts are both used by businesses to analyze and manage their financial performance, but they serve different purposes and they often have distinct characteristics. Let me now take the key differences between branch accounts and departmental accounts one after the other. The first difference is purpose. Under branch accounts now, you know, branch accounts are used by businesses with multiple geographically dispersed branches or locations. And the primary purpose is to evaluate the financial performance of each branch separately, thereby considering revenue, expenses, and profitability. And for departmental accounts are used within a single business entity, unlike branch accounts. That is divided into various departments or segments. And the main purpose is just to assess the performance of different departments within the organizations, thereby focusing on cost control and resource allocation. The second one is number of entities. Under branch accounts now, each branch is often considered a separate entity for accounting purpose. That's normal in preparing accounting, because branch accounts may have their own banking and legal status and financial records and are being maintained independently for each branch. Under departmental accounts now, all departments are part of the same legal entity, unlike branch accounts. Financial records for departmental accounts are maintained separately for each department, but they do not have separate legal or banking identities. Everything is being used cohesively for them, unlike branch accounts. The third one is ownership. For branch accounts now, branches are typically owned by the same company, and the company's management oversees the operations of all the branches. While departmental accounts, all the departments are part of the same company and they are being managed by the company's internal management team. The fourth one is interbranch transactions. What do I mean by this? Well, in branch accounts, interbank transactions are common because goods or funds may be transferred between branches, and these transactions need to be carefully recorded in order to ensure accurate financial reporting. While the departmental accounts, interdepartmental transactions within the same company are less common in departmental accounts, as departments do not have the same degree of financial autonomy as branches. However, some internal allocations may sometimes occur in some kind of situation. The fifth one is legal and regulatory considerations. In branch accounts, each branch may need to adhere to specific legal and regulatory requirements in the jurisdiction wherever it kind of operates. Compliance and reporting obligations can vary for each of the branch in branch accounts, while the departmental accounts within the same legal entity, generally, they have the same legal and regulatory obligations as they are the part of the same company. The sixth difference is for branch accounts now. The financial statements for each branch are typically reported separately, as we all know from the definition I gave earlier, with individual income and statements and balance sheets for each branch, unlike departmental accounts, because the financial statements for each department are also reported separately, with individual income statements and balance sheets for each department. However, these reports are consolidated at the company level to present a comprehensive view of the entire organization. So in conclusion to all those points I mentioned earlier, while both branch accounts and departmental accounts helps to provide insight into the financial performance of various segments within a business, they differ in their performance, the number of entities involved, the ownership structure, treatment of interbranch or even interdepartmental transactions, the legal and regulatory consideration, and also their reporting methods. So, branch account it's only focus on branches as the separate entities, while the departmental account focus on departments within the same company.